Hey everybody, it's Ben Chalamar. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get contractors. We're using GoHighLevel Ads Manager, and even you can launch it today and get contractors to message you in return. So this is going to be completely for free, but I'm going to show you what's our offer. And even if you want to copy our offer, or if you want to sell it to your customers, it's whatever you want to do. I'm going to tell you what we deliver. So, and just to show proof in the back end. So yesterday I launched these new ads and spent less than $1 or $2 to get 2 contractors who are plumbers to reach back out to us. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to launch ads, even for like less than $5, to get people to reach out to you who want to work with you for $297. Okay, so I'm going to show you, we are offering contractors. We're going to do their website for free. We're going to launch their meta ads, their Google ads, and we're going to give them SEO traffic as well, organic traffic. And also all of the stuff we're going to do is 30 days satisfaction guarantee that we're going to launch everything. So within this, we're showing contractors. I'm going to show you here. You could copy this. So for here, I'm going to the GoHighLevel targeting and targeting those people who are contractors. I want plumbers, roofers, anybody who's a contractor, right? Independent contractor. And the most important thing is, and if you have any comments, questions, feel free to answer is, so I'm going the whole United States, and then I'm going towards, we're doing a free website, meta ads, Google ads, search console, and we're showing them, we're going to do everything for them. And I'm showing a different ads because some people I related that I actually created a video ad and it's doing way better than my static image. So here's one ad, and then I'm going to retarget them. So the most important thing is anybody who's visited my form, I want to retarget them. And I'm going to play a video for you, if that's okay. And the videos I'm making, it's from Hicksfield. So this video, so here we go. I'm just going to play this video. And you guys could copy my scripts. Here we go.
You okay, sweetie?
So how much is this going to cost me, Dad?
Parts, labor, probably around $2,500.
You want contractor jobs using AI traffic? Fill out this form and get a free website design with traffic. Your new jobs are waiting. Contractors call Lola today for your $297 traffic system.
You okay, sweetie?
So how much is this going to cost?
By the way, shout out to Blake for saying, hey, people are always doing jobs, and what if water was like splashing everywhere, or saying, hey daddy. So these elements, when you're scrolling, like, oh, hey daddy, whoa, what's going on, right? A lot of people don't feel comfortable, or creating ridiculous things inside the ad. There's so much chaos happening within the ad. This is actually our best performing video. If you want to copy this, here we go.
So for this job, with the emergency rate, it's going to be $400.
Daddy, you have 15 more jobs today. Call your brothers. You want more plumbing jobs using AI traffic? Fill out this form.
Okay.
So for this,
first of all, 2 things happen there. Showing the value of how much something is worth. It's $400 to do this. And also, we're showing the $297. And a lot of you I bet you saw a lot of glitches within the AI video, and you're like, oh, I won't publish that because maybe the contact form has this little bit of wording on it. Errors make conversations which turn into forms. Okay, so hopefully that helps you with your ad creation, creating targeting, and I look forward to, helping anybody out. We do offer this for contractors, so even if you want to resell our system, we're going to give them the website, the meta ads, the Google ads, the SEO traffic as well, using Google Search Console. And we're giving them those organic traffic visitors who are locally, who want their service for their keywords as well. All right, so I look forward to answering any questions, and thank you so much, everybody. All right, see you. And hopefully these videos are great because I'm not receiving any love from it, but yeah, I'm just going to keep on pushing.